Welcome to the nature documentary, The Animals and You. I'm Cruz, and this is the Los Angeles Zoo. Come with me on an amazing journey of fun and excitement and animals. This is an American alligator, not to be confused with an illegal alligator. Crikey! This is a Komodo dragon from this one's homeland. And by that I mean Hogwarts, because I think that's Cho Chang. A dinosaur? Pack your trunks and listen up with your ears, because we're going to the land of the elephants.
Hi, can you find me keys still? Our keys on
Look at these celibate camels. They're humpless.
Look at the alpaca. Watch out, guys.
We're here at the gorilla cage. Let's try to communicate with them. That means Jane stay with Tarzan.
And these are kangaroos, found only on Australia. They are part of the marsupial family, which means they have babies and young in their pouches. Looks like this one's having a hopping good time.
Look how adorable it is. You could just get a shot of these gray aquatic mammals. In this cage, they've really sealed the fate. We are here at the meerkat habitat. They live in semi-arid regions of South Africa. A little known fact about chimpanzees is that they're really omnivores and have been known to steal babies and eat them.
They're breaking up.
I think there's a snake gone out of its cage.
Now these pandas, are they black with white stripes or white with black stripes? The world may never know.
Yeah. It's a zebra.
It's a jungle out there! Flamingos get their color from the amount of babies they eat. Baby shrimp. Right here we have the double wattle cassowary. It's a clouded snow leopard. Crikey. Bloody hell, it's amazing. See one up this close. These are the exotic manicore, and if you look, the male is really horny, and the rest of them are females. He's a pimp, and his name is Walter. It's a hippo. It's got me! It's on me! It's on me! It's going into the death roll! I'm trying to think of something on the fly. So we're here with the Anidian condor, because it flies and it eats very skinny, dirty blonde girls, such as that over there, such as her over there. And this has been The Animals and You, a Cruz nature documentary.
I can see what's happening. And they don't have a clue. They'll fall in love, and here's the bottom line. Those monkeys are gonna screw.